Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi A8 vs Jaguar XJ, which is better. Follow along as we examine design, driving feel, comfort, technology, and ownership to help you decide. I will point out where each sedan shines and which compromises matter most. Listen for practical takeaways about fuel efficiency, maintenance expectations, and resale value so you can choose confidently based on how and where you drive. We start with performance and handling, where the differences are clear and fun to explain. Audi tends to favor composed ride and steady traction for smooth, assured driving. Jaguar leans toward sharper turn-in and more communicative feedback for drivers who enjoy a spirited commute. Consider whether you prefer a relaxed cruiser or a more athletic sedan, because that choice shapes everyday satisfaction and long-term enjoyment. Quick recommendation and a friendly ask. If you like this comparison, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow. On another note, try these leak-proof meal prep containers that make packing lunches for drives simple and spill-free. They pair surprisingly well with road trip planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Next we cover comfort and tech, so you know what riders will actually feel and use. Audi integrates sleek screens and streamlined controls that feel modern and efficient. Jaguar offers a warmer, traditional luxury vibe with soft leathers and tactile knobs that some owners prefer. Think about rear seat space, noise isolation, and convenience features like seat massage when picking a car for long trips or chauffeured comfort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.